I don't know how I'm going to draw like this, but the show must go on.
It's your boy Vibes. That was a little loud. Take that back. It's your boy Vibes. There we go. Seems a bit more respectable. And today, if you've been following me on my Instagram, you might be seeing that I have been doing a lot of different work as of recent. So I kind of wanted to make a video about the style that I've been trying to do as of recent. I call it temperature portraits. I've actually realized that this is not that unique, but you gotta figure out how you learn and how you want to do things. So there's one thing that from when I was doing these, I learned something that was actually exponentially important to making these drawings look better than they would have, and has actually helped me create a better experience, and that is what I'd like to call my friends hair. But I'm gonna just show you guys a little bit about the hair that I did and what I've learned and what would make your hair look a little bit more realistic. This video is specifically about like longer hair and straighter hair, not curly. I still am figuring that one out. I don't know. It's just a little crazy, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, let's get into it. Alright. So first thing, actually I could use examples from here too. If you notice here, I actually drew down the basic shape of the hair. So let's just say like this is somebody's hair, right? Look at that. That's some beautiful hair right there. I just like to let everybody know that this is the end of the tutorial. That is the hair that you can do. It is immaculate, very beautiful, and I think that it will improve all of your drawings.
Oh my god! What is that?
Psych! Okay. Now, and then I will go in and based on the reference that I'm looking at, I'll find the dark pockets. Shout out to Ross Tran for his hair tutorial, actually. Very useful. But he said something about dark pockets, and actually that was one thing I happened to learn, is that you need to find the parts where the hair is the darkest or the shadow is like the strongest. So usually when it comes to like somebody's face, it's somewhere around here, because the light could be coming from this direction, and their face or their hair goes over like that. So in here is gonna be dark, but this is the darkest part. So usually you kind of just leave it like really dark. And there you go. Have a bit of contrast. And I suggest that when you do this, you have a bunch of different shades and tints that you use for your hair. It'll just allow you to have a bit more versatility in what you're drawing. So little pockets here and there that'll give it some life, some dimension. So actually, just doing that, it actually has a whole lot more character. Whoa, my poor camera. I'm so sorry. I gotta stop with my chair. Anyways, so much more character. And if you want to just blend it in, I've said this trick before. The smudge tool should be your best friend. And reason being, it just blends things really nicely. Now, me personally, depending on light source, I will actually make a full shape. So let's say that's the full shape, right? I will make a full shape and it'll be like about that thick, right? And then after that, I will start making my strands of hair. Quick tip, if you want to make sure that you don't draw outside of the lines, I'm just getting rid of this because this is ugly. I don't like it on my paper. If you want to make sure that you stay on here, just control click the layer over here and boom, now you've selected everything that you've drawn on. So I can't draw outside. Oh, oops. Okay. Now I can't draw outside of it no matter what I do. Anyways, so just drawing individual strands, it depends on how you want it. I think on this one I'm feeling a little less individuality, so I don't want the lines to be too thin. Now this is the next thing. As I was talking about with the smudge tool, you have to move in the direction. Look at that, it's already got some character, even though I haven't really gone through it, but it's already getting some more hair-like feel. But yeah, see, I have to move with the flow of the hair. So you can't just keep going up and down like this. That will ruin it. So you have to move like hair. Hair is very flowy. It's like how Hanzo says in Overwatch, flow like water. You have to flow with it. You have to move with the way hair moves, right? Alright, so now we're going on to what would be the highlight lines. Now, let's just say this. I'm no professional artist, so I'm not saying I'm a god at all this stuff, because I'm really, really not. But I do have a couple tricks. So far, it's looking pretty solid. So let's just say we're going with this again. The arrow is supposed to show where the light is coming from, so the light's coming from that side. So that means all our highlights are going to be focused on this side, on the left side of the hair. And all the darks are going to be a little bit more to the right, which is why this pocket's here. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and make a drawing out of this hair, and I have no references, so we'll see how this goes. Alright, and we're back. I did a little something, nothing crazy. As I said, no reference, so I just, drew whatever I felt like drawing. I don't even know why I drew this, but I feel like it fit the hair. I think that's what was inside my head while I was showing you guys, but it looks pretty solid. But this is not something you're just gonna get on the first try. Honestly, the way I did it was a little bit fast. If you want to get like a finished product that looks even better than this, I'm not saying it's great, but even better, just take some time and just look at hair. And it's also important to have references. As I said, I didn't use any references here, and it still turned out all right. But understand how hair flows and use your reference to be able to figure out where which direction the hair is moving, where the light's coming from, so that you can use it in your entire drawing. And depending on the references that you're using and which one you want to use for light. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed. Be sure to leave a like, subscribe, comment, go follow my socials. The link tree will be in the description. And be sure to tag me if you post any of your drawings. Tag me to see your hair. I want to see this hair, because I think you guys are gonna make some pretty amazing hair. Know what I mean? All right. Anyways, as I said, hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one.